Horoscope for the year 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to our Astro Yogi channel. I am Acharya Ananya and we will discuss in detail the year 2022 for every single zodiac sign. Like the year 2020, the year 2021 has been challenging for all of us. However, the vaccine has given a ray of hope, and if the vaccination process goes successfully, the forthcoming year will bring plenty of joy and excitement. With the arrival of a new year, every individual wishes to know their future. We want all our dreams to get fulfilled in the forthcoming year. But there are numerous challenges we might have to face. It's always a good idea to prepare ourselves for all future challenges. There can be some questions regarding how your career would be, your business, married life, finances, relationship and health would be in the year 2022. Besides this, many people wonder whether the new year will be lucky for them or will it bring challenging or problematic situations. To answer all these questions, Astro Yogi has prepared a yearly horoscope for all of you. In the yearly horoscope, you will learn about your future as per your zodiac sign. For example, in the field of work, what kind of result will you achieve in 2022? When it comes to finances, whether you will earn money or your expenses would increase. More questions like how will your behavior and relationships will be with your family members, or will your love life will become more romantic or would it be filled with problems? The answers to all these questions can be found in the yearly horoscope we have created for you. But before beginning the yearly horoscope 2022, let us first look at the first house for the major house transits, solar and lunar eclipses and important festivals that will be taking place in 2022. Also, you will be provided with a lucky number, lucky color and astrological tips as per your zodiac sign. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Also do like, share and comment if you like the video. Major house transits of the year 2022. Let's discuss that. Saturn, Rahu, Ketu planets will also transit in 2022. Let's discuss them. On Tuesday, 2022, 12th of April, Rahu transits from Taurus to Aries. And on the same date, Ketu transits from Scorpio to Libra. After this, Jupiter would transit from Aquarius to Pisces on Wednesday, 13th of April 2022. Then, on 29th of April 2022, Saturn will transit from Capricorn and enter Aquarius. However, on the 12th, July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and shift to Capricorn. Major eclipses of the year 2022. In the year 2022, there will be 2 solar eclipses and 2 lunar eclipses. Solar eclipses. The first solar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 30th of April 2022 in the partial solar eclipse. This eclipse will be noticeable in South America, Antarctica, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Also, the second solar eclipse will be a partial solar eclipse and it will occur on Tuesday, 25th of October 2022. This eclipse will be noticeable in Urals, Middle East, Northeast of Africa, Europe and West Asia. Now let's talk about lunar eclipses. The first lunar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 15th or 16th May in a blood moon. This will be seen in some parts of South America, Europe, Africa and Asia. The second lunar eclipse will happen on 8th of November 2022 as a complete lunar eclipse. Now this eclipse will be noticeable in many parts of North America, Australia, Asia, North and East parts of Europe and several parts of South America. Major festivals for the year 2022 are Holi, which would be celebrated on Saturday, 19th March 2022. Hindu New Year 2079 will begin from 2nd April 2022. Chaitra Navratri will be celebrated from 2nd April to 10th April 2022. Raksha Bandhan will be 11th August 2022. Ganesh Chaturthi 31st August 2022. The starting of Shardiya Navratri would be from 26th September to 4th October 2022. Vijayadashami, that is Dussehra, the festival of triumph of good over evil, would be celebrated on 25th of October 2022. Karwa Chauth will be celebrated on Thursday, 13th October 2022. The festival of Diwali will be celebrated on Monday, 24th November 2022. If you want more details, you can go to our official website Astro Yogi and get all the details plus auspicious time and worship method. So you viewers, the year 2022 will begin with Virgo ascendant, Scorpio and Jyeshtha Nakshatra. Aries yearly horoscope for the year 2022. Let's find out how the yearly horoscope 2022 will be for Aries natives. With the yearly horoscope 2022, you will get to know what is special for you this year. Every individual is often excited about the forthcoming year since the new year brings new opportunities, challenges, and expectations. Every individual wants to be fully ready for the impending future to achieve the best outcomes, and they have many questions about the new year. To answer all these questions, this year also Astro Yogi has curated the horoscope for the year 2022. We have made yearly predictions for all zodiac signs. Our astrologers have gauged the positions of planets, constellations, and the impact on each zodiac sign. So let's understand in depth about the first zodiac sign, that is Aries. What does Aries yearly horoscope 2022 have in store for Aries natives? How will the year 2022 go for Aries natives' love life? What will be the year bring in the professional life of Aries natives? Will Aries native undergo financial problems in 2022, or will they be successful in gathering a lot of wealth? How will the relationship of Aries people would be with their family members in this year? What does the yearly horoscope 2022 has to say? As per the yearly Aries horoscope 2022, this year will usher in tremendous success for Aries natives. On the 14th January, Mercury will retrograde and settle in the 10th house of Aries, which will be advantageous for your growth. Lovers who have Aries as their zodiac sign and are looking to get married, they will surely get some good news on this front. There can be some miscommunication between the couples. Owing to common vision of Mars and Saturn, there can be a rift between the couples, and issues can also take place when it comes to your children. But around mid-year, these conditions will see a major improvement. From 19 January to 21st Feb, Saturn will be retrograding, and due to this, there can be delay in completion of your tasks. However, following 21st February, every incomplete task will be concluded with the rise of Saturn. Rahu will go into Aries on 12th of April 2022. During this period, you will receive success if you work patiently, as this position of Rahu will work as a distraction. But you need to stay calm and continue performing your task. Moreover, anger might get the better of you due to Rahu, but you need to control your emotions. If you work calmly during this period, you will surely gain positive results. On 13th of April 2022, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, and spiritual interest will be stimulated in you. With Saturn transiting into Aquarius on 29th of April, there will be an improvement in your work life. Also, your investments will yield positive results. On 30th of April, there will be a solar eclipse in Aries. This position of the eclipse will bring wealth, esteem, and glory for the Aries natives. However, there is a need to pay attention to the wellness of your kids. Also, the second solar eclipse of the year 2022 will occur in Libra on 25th of October. Sun is going to transit in the 7th house of Aries, because of which the people in business might undergo a loss and those doing business in partnership might suffer. At the same time, there will be some issues in married life too. Now let us discuss the lunar eclipse for the year 2022. The first lunar eclipse will occur on 16th May, and the moon will be in the 8th house of Aries. At this time, it is crucial to pay attention to your well-being. Altogether, there might be obstacles in work related to authorities, and there will be a bunch of mixed emotions which will keep on distracting you. Now, the second lunar eclipse of 2022 will occur in Aries on 8th November 2022. This position of the eclipse will advantageous in terms of monetary gains for you. Yes, I am talking about the Aries natives. Aries career for 2022. As per the yearly Aries career horoscope, 2022 will be fortunate for Aries natives. Your work will be appreciated and people will be impressed by your work for this year. Due to this, you can gain a prominent position in your workplace, in your office. But between April and August, you will need to concentrate on your work, as you are likely to get distracted by getting involved in useless things which might lead you to bear some losses. Time will be of essence in your work life. From the business perspective, the starting of the year 2022 will be a little fragile. You will undergo a few challenges at your workplace in your business. The period from February to December will prove to be favorable for the Aries natives. In the middle of the year, you will get benefits from overseas contracts. In February, your expenses may increase. There are possibilities of promotion and transfer in the job. New challenges and plans will excite you. Showing too much trust in somebody at your workplace, in business or job can result a huge loss for you. Because of the tough competition in business, you will have to work systematically. Now, there will be likelihood of promotion and transfer in your job. Furthermore, the position of the transits of the planets will bring satisfactory outcomes for Aries natives for this particular year 2022. Jupiter, the lord of the 9th house in Aries, will be settling in Pisces in the 12th house on 13th of April 2022, which is the 12th house of Aries. Now, this position of Jupiter is auspicious for Aries natives, yielding favorable outcomes in their workplace. Now, this is a fortunate period for Aries natives who wish to do any business abroad. This will also be a good year for those who are starting new work. It will be an excellent time for entrepreneurs to expand their business by meeting new people. Now, on 29th of April 2022, Saturn will transit in Aquarius, proving to be auspicious for Aries natives. Now, this position is favorable for making gains in business. There will be progress in the work, whether it is your business or your job. However, this position of Rahu in the ascendant and Ketu in the business house will create the struggle to achieve the right and wanted outcomes, like what you are expecting out of your business. But the year 2022 will be full of success for you. While Mars is positioned in 3rd, 6th and 11th house, the chances are that you will gain profits in the business or job. This time will be progressive for those in jobs, and the dream of moving overseas for employment can be fulfilled. Those who have been hunting for employment for a very long time will also get a job in 2022. There will be an enhancement in self-confidence too. But the position of Rahu in the ascendant can get you distracted. But the position of Rahu in Aries will likely result in success, given that you are ready to struggle. Working individuals will gain appreciation from their boss. Colleagues will assist you in your work. During this particular time, you can triumph over all the negativities around. On the 29th of July, Jupiter will retrograde and will stay in retrograde till 24th of November. The Aries natives, after putting in hard work, will be able to achieve positive results. This position of Jupiter might bring in some struggles for Aries natives to a certain extent. There can be a little delay in work, but the work done with precision and carefully will usher in success. Overall, the year 2022 will bring Aries natives success when it comes to their career. Now let's discuss the love life of Aries native in the year 2022. As per the Aries love horoscope, the beginning of the year will be great for Aries natives. Aries natives, being the sweet talkers, can win the heart of their partner with their words. You will get lots of opportunities to hang out and spend some moments with your partner, which will propel your love life. However, around mid-year, there will be ups and downs in your relationships. If you maintain patience during this phase, then the coming time will be extremely peaceful. The year starting will be moderate for married couples. There will be tension in your relationship and there will be few transformations in some situations during the month of March. As per the yearly horoscope of love life for Aries, your relationships will be strong. You will require the backing of your family members for adjusting with your life partner. The last month of the year 2022 will be fortunate for you. This month, unmarried people will get an opportunity to get hitched. Mutual understanding and harmony between the couples will make the environment of your house pleasant and harmonious. As per Astro Yogi's prediction for the year 2022, Jupiter will transit in Pisces on 13th April, which will be favorable for Pisces natives. Jupiter will be sitting in the 12th house. This will be in your favor as your dream to marry the love of your life will come true this year. You will get hitched in this year 2022. In this year, lovers and married people will have romantic bliss and they will spend quality time with each other. On 30th of April, Venus will go into Pisces, and at this point, the conjunction of the Jupiter-Venus will be made in the 12th house. This time will usher in a period of romance for the lovebirds, and harmony will arrive in married life. But the transit of Rahu in Aries on 12th of April 2022 and Ketu in 7th can obstruct the marriage of people in love. On the other hand, on 29th of April, Saturn will go into Aquarius and settle in the 11th house of Aries, due to which people in relationships will have courage to take the step forward. The newly married couples will get the happiness of welcoming a new member in their family. Jupiter will be in retrograde on 29th of July 2022 and will stay in the same motion till 24th November. Retrograde Jupiter will be settling in the 12th house of Aries, owing to which differences might arise. Arguments might occur between lovers, thus you are advised to be wise and restrain from any confrontation, or else the situation might get worse. While Mars is positioned in the 3rd, 6th and 11th house from the moon sign, the love life and married life of Aries natives will be filled with happiness. Overall, the yearly Aries love horoscope for the year 2022 predicts a favorable phase for you. You only need to move ahead with patience and be cautious. Aries Finance horoscope for the year 2022. According to Aries Finance, for the year 2022, you will not experience a shortage of money this year. It will help if you can control your unrealistic and unnecessary expenses, as they can ruin your yearly financial budget. Between April and July, you will gain financial benefits, and this period will make you financially stronger. In February, you can get some big duties which you will be able to fulfill most outstandingly. Your imaginative skills will be exposed before people. There can be a few changes in your house at this particular time. New challenges and plans will arise which you will be able to fruitfully complete in a very systematic way. You might need to borrow money from October to November or take some loan to do some work. However, it will take you to a lot of time to repay the loan. Aries natives will get relief from issues that have been upsetting them lately. Now this year, building rapport with prominent person will give you some great accomplishments. New paths of success will be discovered. All you have to do is work hard. According to Astro Yogi's prediction, the transit of Saturn in Aquarius on 29th of April 2022 and Saturn in the 11th house of the Aries will be favorable and advantageous for you. Now this position of Saturn will open new income sources and you will make financial gains. On the other side, on 13th of April, Jupiter will be residing in your 12th house. This state of Jupiter will improve your status along with an increase in fortune. In 2022, you will invest your wealth in purchasing real estate that will prove favorable for you. This new year will elevate your social status. There are also possibilities of purchasing a vehicle in 2022. After April, the financial condition will get sturdier. Rahu will go into Aries on 12th of April, which will increase wealth, but you might have to struggle a little bit. The state of Jupiter and Saturn will surely bring success in your work life. Mars will enter Sagittarius on 16th of January, which will be fortunate and auspicious for wealth. After this, planet Mars will go into Capricorn on 26th of February the same year. This state of Mars is making Kuldeepak Yoga. At this time, alongside the growth in your work and rise in your societal status, several income sources will open up to you. On 27th of April, Venus will enter Pisces, making you spend money on luxuries. There will be a rise in money expenses this year too. Nevertheless, Jupiter will retrograde on 29th of July 2022. This state of Jupiter will help you make financial gains and cause an increase in wealth. But you might need to struggle a bit. While Mars will be settling in the 3rd, 6th and 11th house from the moon sign, all your desires will be fulfilled and monetary benefits will come to you. Even though the position of Rahu will distract you, the strong position of Saturn and Jupiter will enable you to handle the situation. Overall, the yearly Aries financial horoscope for the year 2022 states that things will be auspicious for you in terms of wealth, but psychological stress will stay due to overspending. You are suggested to control unnecessary expenditures. This phase is beneficial for earning but not for savings. So be cautious and make your fiscal position stronger. The family horoscope prediction for 2022 for Aries natives. Now, according to Aries family horoscope, Aries natives will have somewhat of a troubled relationship in the family. Saturn will move out of Aquarius and retrograde and go into Capricorn on 12th July. The state of Saturn will affect the well-being of an elderly family member, most likely your mother. Rahu will go into Aries on 12th of April 2022 and Ketu will be residing in the 7th house, which will create tension in husband-wife relationships. Arguments will take place in your marital life and you will have to suffer from psychological stress. The state of Ketu in the 7th house can lead to a rift between you and your siblings. Hence, you are suggested to spend maximum time with your family members. Also, Jupiter will transit in Pisces on 13th of April 2022. April, May and June will be favorable for Aries natives, but there will be ups and downs in the month of July. Pay attention to the wellness of the family members and there will be a rise in family expenditure, culminating in a tense situation at home. Astro Yogi's prediction says that in 2022 you will not be able to spend much time with your family because of work and business tours, owing to which there will be coordination issues. However, at the end of 2022, you are likely to see improvements in your family ties. The married couples who have not been blessed with children will get some good news this year, as a result of which there will be an environment of happiness in the family. This year, you can revamp your home and you will spend more on conveniences too. Overall, Aries Family Horoscope 2022 reveals mixed outcomes. The family atmosphere will stay good in the second half of the year, before which there is a likelihood of testing times. You should not get involved in any quarrels and limit unnecessary family expenditures. The unique thing is that this year your family will gain respect in the society. Now let's listen to some astrological tips for the Aries natives. Apply tilak of red kumkum on your forehead. On Tuesdays, offer red rose garland to Lord Hanuman. Every Tuesday, light a lamp of jasmine oil in a Hanuman temple. To achieve good success in work, keep a tiny piece of red jaggery in the south direction. Chant Hanuman mantra 11 times. Auspicious colors for Aries in 2022 is red and yellow. It will give you auspicious results. And the auspicious number for this year is 9 and 1. It will bring good luck to Aries natives. This is a generalized prediction for all the signs. For a personalized prediction in detail, reach out to the top astrologers now at AstroYogi.
AstroYogi, India's #1 live astrology app.